check if you still remember nicely.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
All right. So this is a fail switch, right?
Mhm.
It's for safety purposes, so you
Yes.
don't accidentally
Yes.
use any of these buttons while you're performing your duties.
100%.
So when you want to do any type of action, so for in this case, let's start it off like this way. So here is your rotation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Rotate, good.
that is right. This is your spreader. Do
Mhm.
side shift. I'll just put it center for you so you can see
Okay.
there.
Yes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
If you want to turn it out, there you go.
Yes. Now.
Okay, we'll take it a little bit halfway.
Okay.
Take it in.
Okay.
There is your Watson. It's coming back. So if you want to
Extend the ball.
obviously if you lock,
Yes.
unlock, that's correct. If you want to extend the boom, this is retract.
Yes.
This is extension. Since we closed that container, I'm not going to go too far.
Yes. Wonderful.
Okay,
Good.
let me just bring it back.
Wonderful.
Okay, if you want to go up,
Good.
very powerful machine. If you want to go down,
Mhm.
you just press down.
Wonderful. Thank you.